TECHNOSITE is a company specializing in integral internet solutions able to contribute added value for customers looking for a reliable partner for their e-business strategies. The company has offices in Madrid, Barcelona, Seville and Valladolid. It has a comprehensive multidisciplinary team of highly specialized professionals. Our services cover a range of activities from strategic consulting and development of internet-based information systems, corporate websites, portals, intranets, e-commerce, computer applications, through to hosting and online training using powerful e-learning tools. We also develop custom-built computer applications for analysis of business trends to support customers' decision-making processes. Design for all criteria are an important aspect of the company's development work. It also has a line of business in accessibility and usability consultancy, audit, certification and user testing. TECHNOSITE is part of the Oncle Foundation group of companies, Fundosa Group, created in 1989, whose mission is to create employment for persons with disability. Over 70% of our staff are disabled. TECHNOSITE is a special employment center. The overall concept of e-business refers to the integration of the internet with business. There is no single right route to follow to incorporate electronic business in an organization. It depends on multiple factors related to market situation and the characteristics of each organization. TECHNOSITE provides strategic consultancy to customers according to their area of business, their objectives, their way of operating, environment and competitive position. We adapt to the real needs of each client with custom plans to define the most advantageous business model for doing business online, create an online corporate image and develop navigation architectures that build awareness and drive online sales. Build and maintain the web environment and e-business applications. Provide continuous advice on best practices in each sector and on recent innovations and improvements. The ultimate objective is to establish a clear online position to attract visitors, retain customer loyalty, and help businesses to effectively integrate new technology and get maximum benefit from their online presence. Our services range from design, construction and maintenance of corporate websites to full portal management, including documentation services and content creation. We also provide hosting services to enable our customers to outsource their web and application hosting without needing to invest in infrastructure and resources, benefiting from quality of service they would be unable to achieve in-house. TECHNOSITE has state-of-the-art technology and its own communication networks to provide our customers with a quality hosting service, including hosting, communications, security, monitoring and usage statistics. TECHNOSITE is the only company providing hosting services for Content Management Server, Microsoft's state-of-the-art content management platform, which is scalable and adaptable to different environments. The application of new multimedia and internet technologies in training is the basis of e-learning, the new learning method that has revolutionized corporate training. TECHNOSITE has developed ALT, Accessible E-Learning Tool, our own e-learning platform which, as well as enabling the use of video and audio material to enrich training materials, encourages remote collaboration and exchange and enables learning in any situation. ALT is a powerful online training tool that provides for all needs in the teaching-learning process. It provides the student with a comprehensive resource gallery, additional documentation and interaction spaces, and helps the teacher's work by enabling the creation of content and evaluation tests, and monitoring each student's progress individually. ALT is modular and scalable. Management, administration, content creation and navigation tasks are convenient and easy to use. Also, like all our designs, ALT is accessible for all. The new Information and Knowledge Society, with the help of modern technological tools, should be an ideal environment for social integration and cohesion. However, at present, access to most new Information Society technologies, services and applications, and especially the web, presents a series of difficulties for people with disabilities, meaning that these people may find themselves completely excluded. At TECHNOSITE, we know these problems firsthand, and we are experts in technology solutions, not only for people with disabilities, but also for groups such as the elderly, people new to technology, etc. We include accessible design criteria in all our development projects, and we provide consultancy services, training, user experience analysis, audit and certification in the design and development of web pages that are accessible and easy to use for everybody. Information is the most important asset of any business. A company's success depends on how well it knows its customers and their needs, on the quality of its internal processes, and in general on the efficiency of its operations. For this reason, there is currently a strong demand for tools to process and analyze the large amount of data managed by companies, to extract information relevant to managing the business, and more importantly, understand it better. Intelligence that can give the organization an advantage over its competitors. TECHNOSITE is a team of specialists in implementing business intelligence solutions that is a pioneer. We understand that the success of these types of projects depends on choosing the right technologies and methodologies, and the problem of the high cost of getting started. Our team applies its experience and practical approach to put these solutions within the reach of any business. Helping clients to select the most appropriate tools and database systems for the project. Planning, building and developing, together with the client, a viable and rigorous project that meets the requirements within a reasonable time. With this approach, and within a period of generally not more than 4 months, we have implemented systems for planning, budgeting, management control, sales force control, customer revenue analysis, corporate reporting, management dashboard, etc. All our projects have enabled our customers to improve their planning, budgeting, forecasting, operations evaluation, and to integrate all these processes into a coherent business strategy. DiscupNet, www.discupnet.es, is an initiative by the ONTHLY Foundation, co-financed by the European Regional Development Fund, which aims to promote the presence of the disability sector on the internet and improve social integration of the disabled. DiscupNet has a wide range of content and services aimed at improving the quality of life of people with disabilities, their personal autonomy and their participation in economic, social and cultural activities. Through its online employment office, DiscupNet provides training services, career advice and employment management. Information that is especially relevant to people with disability in major areas such as health, legislation and accessibility. It includes disability-specific and special interest portals. It provides geographic accessibility information services and has set up an info accessibility observatory. It also includes Solidaridad Digital, Digital Solidarity, the first online newspaper about disability. Recent advances in technology have enabled the creation of geographical information systems that can, for example, guide a person through itineraries and places they have never visited before. Systems such as digital street maps rely heavily on images and rarely contain information about the accessibility of routes, buildings or transport. DiscupNet has developed a geographical information system fully accessible for disabled users. The main design challenge has been to translate information provided by a traditional visual map to a language that can be perceived with other senses, to guide the user through words. In this way, a person who is blind or has low vision can use the interactive map to prepare an itinerary between 2 points in a town and follow it, knowing their location in the street and finding the way to their destination. This service includes the location of chemists, public transport, monuments and other places of interest. It also contains information about physical accessibility. The web is a continually changing space with accompanying risks and benefits. Being new, it is possible to apply design for all principles from the start to create a network for all that also encourages the inclusion of people with disabilities. This in turn leads, as with the physical environment, to greater ease of use and navigation. There is, however, considerable ignorance about accessible web design that leads to barriers and the exclusion of citizens and potential customers. DiscupNet has started an info accessibility observatory to monitor web accessibility in areas commonly used by the general population and the disabled. Education, banks, shopping, press and government. The observatory uses its own methodology that combines internationally recognized technical guidelines and user experience criteria. DiscupNet provides different interactive tools that allow the creation of virtual communities for online work and collaboration, sharing knowledge and experience. It provides a personalized counseling service using a team of legal, medical, employment and training experts. The result is the world's leading Spanish language disability portal. The site visit statistics for DiscupNet, which have been growing steadily since its creation, are similar to those of the main disability portals in the United Kingdom and the USA. In the future, DiscupNet will provide new interactive services designed to satisfy the needs and demands of people with disabilities. The strategic planning and management of DiscupNet is carried out by TECHNOSITE, which contributes its experience in internet development and the disability sector. TECHNOSITE is a young company that looks to the future. It is a company based on research, continuously taking on new projects and exploring new dimensions of the knowledge society. We believe in what we do and enjoy doing it. We like a challenge, as we know that behind every problem, there is a solution. Try us.